Now it's about self-efficacy. So if you see a fish jumping out of and trying to reach to the right side, which is actually impossible thing. But if he thinks that I can do it, it's kind of become more real. Is the self-efficacy. And there are two rules of self-efficacy, a simple one. So it's about your own estimation of your ability to achieve your own goal. So the items are this. It's based on the goal. You need to have something that you are specifically aiming. And you believe in that, and you have to listen to your own estimation. It's about yourself. Don't need to listen to others. So if you think you have a goal, you have something you want to achieve, and you think you can do it, that is your self-efficacy. You don't need to listen to other people. So my question is that, think about whatever you have as a target or goal or something you want to achieve. It could be a short term. It could be a long term. Pick up one thing in your mind. You can jot it down, whatever, because this is a practice. Okay? And my question is that, do you care about what others say about that? You have a goal to complete this full marathon at some place. And I think I want to achieve it, and I think I can achieve it. If you're like somebody came in and she speaks to me that I think it's impossible. It doesn't matter because you think I can do it, right? Of course, we are influenced by somebody speaking like that, but the point is that this is about yourself. It's about yourself. Okay, then my question is this. I want you to express your self-efficacy level by percentage. You pick up your one goal, and I would ask you to express your self-efficacy level in number. 100 is the maximum, starting from 0. And please type that in your chat bar. What is your number about that goal? $80. Thank you. 70. Yeah, good. Doesn't have to be the percentage. I said the percentage sounds like the percentage, but it could be 85. Yeah, things like that. Or many of you have a kind of a high self-efficacy that if I walk into the corporation and do this exercise, many of them say the 40 or 45 or something like that. Good. All right. And any of you have said 100, if there is. That's a brilliant thing. But at the same time, the goal may be low. You have a potential to have a higher goal. Right? Too high self-efficacy means that you can aim for more. But this time I asked to pick up whatever goal, so it's not apply to everything. But next one is that can you switch to another goal? Pick up another thing and think about your self-efficacy for that. You know what I mean? If you switch the topic, and please type in, you feel a difference because, of course, what you do is different. Okay, normal, 95. You have raised. Okay, good, thanks. Yeah, you would understand that it's gonna be different. You feel the different internally. Good. Yeah. So everybody feels many things. And self-efficacy is a source for you to achieve something. So you have a goal, and if you have a good self-efficacy, high self-efficacy, you will be able to achieve things. The possibility will become higher. And it is yourself, it's your thing, it's about your voice, yourself, and you don't need to listen to other people. Even if somebody says it's impossible, if you think, okay, I understand you think that it's difficult, impossible, but I think I can do it. And the people who are successful, probably you are, you became successful, you have achieved something because you thought so. And I want to do this very quickly, so probably you won't be able to speak that much, but I would like to ask you to think about what did you learn about self-efficacy. You're gonna do this with basically the same group and make a little bit adjustment, but please start discussing about what you learned about self-efficacy. Because time is limited, please hand to other people once you spoke something. Thank you.